everyone, this is Kang and we're back at it again with another big box unboxing. Unboxing a box as big as I am or even bigger than me. Anyway guys, when choosing a gaming chair, it's not just all about aesthetics. I know you all want to match your gaming chair with your own battle station theme, and I am actually guilty about that. But we should also consider comfort and durability, and that's what we're going to discuss today as we unbox this AKRacing California gaming chair that just arrived here in the Philippines and was sent directly to our studio to unbox and assemble. I am very thankful and happy to be the first one to have this in the whole world. Yes, in the whole world. Because this specific AKRacing California model only comes in white and black. But what we're going to unbox today is an AKRacing California in pink. Comfort is the number one priority when it comes to getting the perfect gaming chair for you. So you should always be mindful and careful about the shape or the frame of the gaming chair that you'll get, because there are chairs that might be too tight for you that will prevent you from moving, or there are chairs that will help you move freely. And this is very preferential also when it comes to getting the perfect cover for you. So we all know that there are different types of gaming chair covers out there. We have a PU leather, PVC leather, we have fabric and mesh. And when it comes to covers and the shape of the gaming chair, it is very preferential. So the first thing that you'll see inside the box, come on. Okay, there you go. So the first thing that you'll see inside the box is the base, where you're going to attach the wheels later. So we're gonna talk about the stuff that we'll see inside the box first before we assemble the actual chair. So as you can see, we have here the base, and it's white. Perfect. It is solid metal. Ta-da! So what's next? Oh, did you see that? Okay, so we have here the actual chair. Guys, this is the AKRacing California in pink and white and gray, and it just looks so good. Okay, so guys, as you can see, we have here the backrest of the chair. I was able to remove the plastic, and now let's move on with the foam. Okay, so AKRacing is using a culture foam in all of the gaming chair that they have. There are some gaming chairs that when you touch or pinch a little, you'll feel that there is something that is missing or there's a hollow part on the chair. But when you say culture foam, it is a high-density molded foam, meaning in each part of the chair, a foam is molded specifically for that part. This can guarantee their shape and density for a long time, unlike regular foam padding. Well, that's the third, or actually the fourth, things you need to consider when getting a gaming chair, because we already talked about aesthetics, shape, cover, and the fourth is foam. So next, out of the box, it looks so good. We have here the base. The armrest is already attached to the base. Now, I kind of need some force to get this out of the box. Okay. Whoa, guys, this looks so good. We have here the base. This is where I'm going to sit. So guys, the next thing that you need to consider is checking the base of the chair that you're getting. Of course, you don't want to waste your money on buying chairs that will just break easily. We don't want that. So be careful and mindful about the chair, because this is the part that is mostly overlooked. Yes. Generally, for entry-level chairs, you would find that their base is supported by wood. In which case, if your weight is over the allocated weight that the wood can support, it'll definitely break. So guys, we need to check for base that has garter support. There you go. Can you see that? That won't easily break and can support any type of weight since it's elastic and flexible. Okay, so what else do we have here? I'm gonna get this lumbar cushion for my back. Looks so good. And the neck rest. And this thing will help you manage the garters. Okay, so inside the big box, you have your small box. Okay. So we have here the manual on how we're going to assemble the chair. We might not be needing that. Oh, it comes with the gloves. I just want to wear it now. Why not? And of course, next is the mechanism. There. Oops, sorry. That moves the chair up and down, which is managed by a cylinder. So 5-inch cylinders are the standard for most gaming chairs. This offers enhanced comfort and ergonomic benefits. The standard hydraulics have different classes ranging from class 1 to 4. Among them, class 3 and 4 are preferred for their longevity, durability, and support for heavy load. Class 3 is ideal for loads of up to 150 kilograms, while class 4 supports around 250 kilograms. And that's what this AKRacing California is using, the class 4 mechanism. There you go. We'll be needing this later. And lastly, the rollers. I saw the rollers here. The convenience and ease of sliding from different kinds of floor covering depends on their quality. Often they're made rubberized or rubber completely because they do not harm the floor. Easy to roll and have high elasticity. In cheap models, you can find plastic wheels. However, this option cannot withstand heavy loads or frequent travel from places to another. Oops, so we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wheels. So I guess that's everything inside the box. Now it's time for me to assemble this AKRacing California in pink and white. Let's go. I was able to clear out my space so that we can assemble this AKRacing California gaming chair in pink. So first off, we need to put the wheels here on the base. One by one. Let's go. Done! Didn't expect that it'll be that quick. Yeah. Oh, God. This is heavy. So we're gonna attach it here. Okay, we're gonna tighten it up. Next is the mechanism under. Okay, so there you go. We're almost down to the last part of this assembling. Okay. Phew. It's done. It's done. Okay, so before we end this video, since we're done discussing everything and assembling the AKRacing California chair in pink, I would like to thank you since this is an early birthday present for me. So I'm very happy to have this chair for my studio. And guys, if you want to get your own AKRacing California chair in pink, you can check out PCHub because this chair is PCHub exclusive. If you want to check for stocks, just to message them in any of their socials. Just search PCHub. Don't worry because I'll leave the link on the description. And guys, if you like my shirt, do check out Division Clothing. Again, well, that's my unboxing and assembling of this AKRacing California gaming chair in pink and gray. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope to see you on my next. Bye bye everyone and thank you so much.